Okay, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will show you how to create an animation on Figma and also export to LottieFile. And here is the example and how we can make it. So let's jump to Figma application, okay? Okay, in this video, you will learn how to create animation on Figma and also how to use Aninix Plugin and also how to export animation to LottieFile and also upload and run a LottieFile on Figma. Okay, so I already prepared the asset as a sample asset, and I will convert as the animation using Aninix UI animation plugin. Okay, so you need to run Aninix UI animation because without this plugin you can create the animation. This plugin actually is free, but free with limitation. I mean, the limitation is they limit only maximum 3 frame or 3 project inside one file Figma. So if you have more than 3 frame that you want to convert as the animation, you need to pay. Yeah, you need to pay $10 a month. So but if you so the alternative, if you still want to keep as a free account, so you can create another file Figma and you can create another project with maximum 3 maximum 3 frame to as the animation. So what you need to do is you can select first this frame and you can hit create project, and it will open the user interface for Aninix UI animation. Okay, this is the UI for the Aninix. Actually, this yeah, it's very familiar lah, yeah. So it's very familiar. So mostly we will work on the properties of the from this one, and also this timeline. So it's very familiar with, if you already familiar with After Effects or video editor, is yes, it's quite the same. Yeah, so my goal in this project, I would like to move this astronaut from the left to the right, as simple as that. So what you need to do is you need to add a keyframe. Okay, you need to add a keyframe. So mostly if you want to add a keyframe, actually if you want to use the preset, you can use it, but if you want to do manually, you can set on these properties. So I will use as a manually because I have some custom animation. So first thing, you need to move this astronaut to the left. Let's say it's 5, because we will focusing on X and Y because we change the positioning from this object, yeah, as the astronaut object. Okay, now because I already moved the objective, move the object to X5, and I will add a keyframe here, this icon. And also I will set, okay, first I need to set the project duration into 4. Okay, once you already set, and you can let's say you want to move the animation with duration to 2 seconds, so you can add more keyframe here, and then you can change this value. Let's say you want to set to 200. Okay, once you already done, and then you can preview instantly on this workspace. Okay, thing is okay. And now I would like to make a loop. Okay, how to make a loop? Actually, you can set back the animation into the first stage, to this one, but you need to add more keyframe to once the animation maximum to 5 4 seconds. Okay, I will add more keyframe here, and then I will set go back to positioning. The original positioning is 5. Okay, I will set as 5, and then you can check again, and by automatically this plugin will set as a loop. Okay, I think it's okay. And then if you want to change the animation effect, so you can hit this one, you can hit the top of the layer, you can change the effect, the effect from here, from the properties here. And let's say if you want to change to easy in out, and then you can see the difference. Yes, yeah, I think it's perfect for moving object. Yeah, now I think that's the example of how to use the Aninix animation plugin. And now I would like to add more detail to show the smoke of the coffee. So I will, because behind the smoke actually I put another layer I call simmer. So I will add a function size. So I will change the size, the original size, into 0 for the height. So what I need to do is I set a size here as a by default, and don't forget change the positioning to the top center, because I will decrease the height to 0. So now I will add size value here, and then I will move to this one. It's the same, and I will add more. You can hit this one, or you can hit this one from this one. Yeah, now I will set the value, this value size into, but you need to unlink first, and you can set the height to 0, and then let's see what it looks like. Okay, now if you want to add more animation for this layer, I mean I call smoke, so I will add here from here, and I will add keyframe, and then I will change it back to 46 pixel, and then I will add more to from 5 second, 4 second, to add keyframe, and then I will change to 0. So I have double smoke in one transition. So let's see the result. Okay, I think I would say this is perfect. And now I would like to, if you want to change the animation effect, so you can change the value curve, and let's say you want to make it Apple standard. You can see it's not really different because it's the same thing. Yeah, I would say for this, the object is, because I mix two different effects. So if you set the astronaut, so we'll set this value curve is mixed. But okay, I hope you get my point. So if you want to change the effect, so you can hit the layer, you can change the value curve. But if you set as the whole group layer, and you want to change the value of the effect, so you need to change to replace all the effect from this layer group. Okay, this frame. Okay, once it's done, so what you need to do is you can export this file, the animation, to LottieFiles. So So how to export to the Lottie file? Actually, you can hit the export button and then you can select to Lottie and then you can hit export and you will pop up the window and you need you rename it, but don't forget to rename add the extension .json. Okay, once done, now next is we can upload to LottieFile. Okay, now I already signed in to the LottieFile website, and this is the dashboard interface. And what you need to do is you can upload your animation that you already create on Figma, and you can hit new the animation, and you can upload a JSON file or .lottie, and I will add the animation the JSON file that I already created before. Okay, so LottieFile will process the animation. So let's wait. Okay, once it's done, you will get the indicator on the bottom right. So this means the animation successfully uploaded to LottieFile, and you want to see the result, you can hit a LottieFile, and that will wait until reload. Okay, now it's already uploaded. Maybe that's the error because it has some more process from the system or the platform. Okay, so here is the result. Okay, so it's quite simple if you want to upload to LottieFile. So to Lottie platform. Once you already get an export, and you will get a JSON file and you can upload it. Now you want to use this animation that you already create and add to Figma. So how to add to Figma? Actually, I will go back to Figma. Now I will close it first. And next is I will create a frame, and let's say I will use iPhone frame, and I will add the same background, and then I will call LottieFile, and I will run LottieFile, and let's wait. But if you already register or login, so LottieFile need a credential. You need to link your account to this plugin, and you can hit your workspace, and it should be here. It should be there. Now let's see my project. First project. Sometimes you need takes more time. Okay, now I will add to Figma, but to add Figma doesn't support the instantly directly you will get the animation effect from on your frame. But if you want to see the result, you need to convert as a GIF. But the processing as a GIF you will take more than, I think, almost 1 minute. But it depends on the detail or the time, the duration of the animation that you already created. Let's say less than 4 seconds, maybe 4 or 2 seconds. The processing to converting as a GIF will much faster than what I already created. Okay, now it's already finished, convert as a GIF file, and you can add to Figma, but not instantly show the animation to your frame. But if you want to see the frame, what's look like the animation, you need to hit as you can set as presentation. So you can see the GIF will run to this one. 1 second, why not load? Okay, I forgot not include to this frame, so should be run. Yeah, I think, yeah, it's work. It work. Yeah, it work. So if you want to set make it, if you want to size, make it bigger, you can do it. Yeah, you're able to do it now. Yeah, the animation is done. Actually, if you want to add more detail, like, okay, the planet, you can moving things around, yeah, you're able to do that. So I think it's the same thing. If you want to add some animation, you can play on the size, or positioning the object, and you can set keyframe, and you can set the duration, and then I think the same behavior. Yeah, but what I already teach you is the foundation, how to create the animation on Aninix plugin, and how to add the keyframe, and how to set the size, and the duration, and the size, and how to decrease the weight or the height for the layer. Okay, I hope you learned something about the Figma animation using any plugin. And if you have any question, you can leave a comment. And also, don't forget to like my video and subscribe, and see you soon. Bye.